Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to faucets, there's two things that you can do to try to increase the flow to the faucet. So we'll turn our faucet on, and you see how little flow that we have. So the first thing that you can try to do is check to make sure your stops are all the way open. Alright, so there are two types of stops. There are quarter turn and there are globe style. So globe style will have this oval type of handle. So what you can do is open the stop all the way and then give it a quarter turn back. Same thing with this. Give it a turn all the way to the left and then give it a quarter turn back. With these types of style, with these globe styles, you have to give it a quarter turn back in, otherwise it can seize to the side of the body. Now, quarter turn will have a wing, and the idea is that it's easy to tell if it's open or closed just by looking at it. So in my case here, both stops are fully open. So what we're going to do is now go to the second way to try to increase flow to a faucet. Alright, so once again, our two-handle faucet has this small volume of water that goes through. So what you can do is take off the aerator, and now see how much more water we get from it. So by taking off the aerator, we get about 4 times the volume of water than when the aerator was on. And I leave the aerator off this because that was the reason that it would take me 45 minutes to fill up a dirty pot for cleaning. Now guys, one caveat to this is for a pull-out kitchen faucet, this probably won't work. You have too many check valves. But by removing the aerator, if it's possible, you can see if you're going to get more flow out of the faucet. But any type of pull-out or something with a hose, more than likely it has check valves and other stuff that is not going to allow you to get more flow out of the faucet. So guys, for these two-handle style faucets, first check to see the stops are all the way open, and if they are, then try to take your aerator off and see if you can get more flow that way. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.